Gorilla 7 video series. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to save and load a schedule or a budget using your Dropbox or iCloud account. Saving your schedules and budgets to your Dropbox or iCloud account is always a good idea in case something happens to your local computer. If you save your schedule or budget to the cloud, it's easy to restore it. So first, let's set up our Dropbox account. In both instances, you will need a Dropbox or an iCloud account. So if you don't have one, go to the Dropbox website. You can sign up for a free trial if you want to test it. Once you create an account, download the Dropbox application. Once installed, you should see a Dropbox folder in your Finder if you are on a Mac, or in File Explorer if you are on Windows. Once that is done, you need to direct the Dropbox location to this folder. So in Gorilla, click on the Schedule Options button, and then click on the Dropbox button. Notice that the path is not set. Click on the Set Up Your Dropbox Folder button. Select the Dropbox icon, and then select your user folder. If you have another subfolder in your user folder, for example, Gorilla Saved Files, which you can create, click that. I'll just select my user folder, and then click Select. And notice that the path now displays. You can now click the Save button. After the schedule saves, check to make sure that the file was created. Go to your Finder or File Explorer and look in your Dropbox folder. Okay, next, let's load a schedule from Dropbox. First, I will delete the schedule in the Project Manager. Select the Load Schedule button, and then select the Dropbox folder button. Even though there are multiple files in my Dropbox folder, you will only see Gorilla schedule files in this list. Notice that the time and date stamp for the saved file is shown here. To load the file, select it. You can use the same procedure when saving a budget, so let's do that. When you click the Budget Options button and then select Dropbox, note that the budgeting module saves the Dropbox location separately than the schedule. No problem, you just have to set it up once. So select the Set Up Your Dropbox Folder button and select the Dropbox folder. Once the correct path is displayed, click the Save button. Let's check to see that the budget saved in our Dropbox. And here it is. Okay, next, let's save to an iCloud account. Similarly, you need to have an active iCloud account through Apple. To check, you should see your iCloud drive in the Finder under iCloud. In Gorilla, select the Dropbox button and select the Set Up Your Dropbox Folder button. This time, select the iCloud drive. And then, if you want to select a subfolder, I have one here called Gorilla Saved Files, so I will select that. Just as before, with the Dropbox path, you should see the path here to the iCloud Drive Save location. Click the Save button. Again, once saved, check to see that the schedule saved properly in the Finder. You can do the same with a budget. Another option you have is to set your auto-save preferences to save in your Dropbox location instead of your Documents folder on your local hard drive. To do this, select the Extras button and select Save Preferences. Down here, you can specify where to auto-save the schedule and/or budget when the prompt appears. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot!